Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 4G69 2008 Eclipse. Should you or should you not put a balanced shaft elimination kit into these vehicles? Well, maybe I should plug my shit in first before I make a video. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna speed up through this shit because I'm an idiot. Alright, see this? Plug. See. Alright. This is why. Just watch. Yeah, get the balance shaft elimination kit. Don't be an idiot. It's not your rods. It's not your fucking timing. It's not your fucking this and that. It's your goddamn balance shaft. Goddamn bullshit. Get rid of that shit. Thank you. Bye-bye.